Today we will learn how to bring 3D effects to Adobe Premiere Pro. Here are two video footages. I will arrange the second video footage a short distance from my first video footage. Then we will come to Effects, search for Basic 3D and release the second video footage. Then I will come to Effect Controls to make the distance to image 50%. We will select the distance to keep the effect. After that I will swivel 3x. I will take a point of distance according to the exact line and make it 100% ahead of 5 frames. Now if we turn it on and see that our Basic 3D has been launched, it is clear that there is a little more work to be done. Now we will select the first video layer and move on to Effects. I will search for Gaussian blur and leave it in the video layer below. Let's go back to Effects Control and Gaussian Blur effect according to the points below. Take a point of blurriness along the exact line and increase the blurriness by 5 frames forward. Now if we play the video we can see that the video below is getting blurred along with the 3D effect. Let us know in the comments what you want to learn. Thanks for watching the video.